I told myself I'd never go back to that island. I buried those memories, drank them down, prayed they'd stay buried. But the island doesn't forget. And neither does he. You think you're going there to study it, to measure it, to understand it. You're not. You're going there because something is waking up.
Everyone talks about Kong like he's a myth, a story to keep people off the island. But he's real. He's real. And he's been alone out here, carrying something none of us could even imagine.
I've read every